Every process begins at the source.
Only fully mature Amla fruits are selected. Manual harvesting protects fruit integrity.
Freshness is preserved from the first touch.
Efficiency begins in the field.
Early sorting reduces waste.
Preparation begins before transport.
Mechanized handling minimizes damage.
Harvest transitions to logistics. Amla fruits are now ready to move.
Timing matters the moment harvest ends.
Controlled loading preserves quality. Federal standards guide every move.
Environment is now controlled.
Logistics takes over.
The destination is reached.
Amla fruits enter the facility.
Processing begins at the factory threshold.
The interior system comes alive.
Unloading starts the internal flow. Movement stays continuous.
Human control guides automation. The internal journey begins.
Quality is observed at every stage.
Cleaning lies ahead. Amla fruits prepare for purification. Gentle motion protects natural texture. Purity is reinforced at every pass. Final refinement is next. Moisture is carefully managed.
Technology assists early selection.
Only qualified fruit proceeds.
Human judgment remains essential.
Uniformity improves precision. Final preparation is completed. The core process now begins.
Flow control defines efficiency. Structure is altered with care.
Transformation begins here. Material flow never stops. Components are divided precisely. Texture is refined for consistency. Stability protects quality. Uniformity is essential. Core processing is complete.
Transformation reshapes the raw material.
Heat is applied with restraint. Concentration defines final character. Consistency is engineered. Purity is refined further. Quality is measured continuously.
Final adjustments begin.
Uniformity is essential.
Texture reaches its target.
Balance is maintained mechanically. Data safeguards consistency. Precision replaces guesswork. Automation hands off to finishing. Stability defines efficiency.
Automation guides the pulp forward.
Every portion is measured precisely. Consistency ensures every jar matches the standard.
Sealing locks in freshness.
Identification ensures traceability. Final fills are measured precisely. Every jar is identical in volume.
Flow is organized for efficiency.
Sealing preserves freshness.
Labels guarantee traceability.
Human oversight confirms quality.
Automation prepares product for storage. Protection preserves quality during transit. Metrics guide flawless operation. The product reaches storage ready for delivery.
Automation handles delicate stacking.
Protection is ensured for shipment.
Products are staged for dispatch.
Storage is organized and ready.
Parameters confirm consistency.
Safety standards are maintained.
Every batch is certified. Little aside. Only the best reaches storage.
The journey to customers begins.
And this is how modern factories produce homogenized Amla pulp from start to finish.